If you are managing travel and expenses for your business, then you are in the right place. We are diving into Zoho Expense, Zoho's powerful and easy-to-use travel and expense management platform that simplifies tracking, reporting, and reimbursements. So whether you're a startup, small business, or enterprise team, Zoho Expense helps you manage spending on the go through mobile-friendly tools, automation, and real-time analytics. So let's begin. Now, the very first and most important step is to head over to Zoho's official website and create your account. Before you can access any Zoho applications, especially Zoho Marketing Automation, you'll need to sign up. The process is very simple. Just visit zoho.com. Once on the official site, click the Sign Up button, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your details. To speed things up, you can also sign up using your Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. Once your account is created, you'll see a button that says Access Your Apps. Click on it. If you're having trouble locating Zoho Expense, scroll up to the search bar, type Expense, and it will appear right away. Click the Try Now button because this is our first time accessing Zoho Expense. You'll be taken to a new page. On this page, you will need to enter your basic details such as your business name, email address, and any other required information in order to create your account. However, if you prefer a quicker method, you can also sign up using your Google account. Simply tap on the Google icon and you will be redirected to the Google sign-in page where you can choose your account and complete the setup instantly. This will bring you into the platform itself. Here, you can either select your existing organization or, if you prefer, click on Add New Organization. This will take you to the setup page. On this page, you'll need to provide the required information so the system can configure your dashboard according to your preferences. Supplying accurate details helps the system build a customized dashboard based on your preferences and workflow. You can choose whether you want to use Zoho Expense for trips, advances, or accounting software integrations. It also allows you to select your accounting tool if you use Zoho Books, QuickBooks Online, Xero, Sage Accounting, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle, or SAP. If you're not sure, simply click Skip for now and continue. As it loads, you'll notice that the interface feels clean, modern, familiar, and very user-friendly. We've been using Zoho Expense for quite some time, and it remains one of the easiest platforms to navigate. The homepage provides a quick overview of your recent activities. Since this is a brand new account, it's still empty, but normally you would see submitted expenses, pending approvals, spending summaries, and even policy violations. This area serves as your central hub for monitoring your travel and expense activity. Next is Trips. The Trips section in Zoho Expense is where users can plan, manage, and track all travel-related activities in one place. It allows you to create trip requests, add travel details like flights, hotels, and transportation, and submit them for approval before the trip begins. Once approved, all expenses generated during the trip can be linked directly to the same trip, making reimbursement and reporting easier and more organized. Now let's explore the main sections. The Expenses tab is the heart of the platform, where you can create and manage all types of expenses. By clicking the plus button, you will be taken to this page where you can add an expense, bulk add expenses, or import them from your cards. If we go back to the Add Expense section, you will see a Reports tab at the top. Go ahead and click on the Report section, and then select Add New Report. Now here, you need to enter a few details, such as your report name and the purpose of the report. You can also choose the duration for this report, for example, selecting the start date and the end date. If you have any trips linked to your expenses, you can select a trip from this drop-down as well. Once you've filled in all the required information, simply click on Save and Close, and your report will be created successfully. Now, the Bulk Add Expense feature in Zoho Expense allows users to create multiple expenses at once instead of adding them one by one. From your Cards section, if you click on Connect Card, you can connect both corporate and personal cards. For example, if you choose Connect Corporate Card, you have to choose your bank from here. Then you'll be asked to provide the required details. If your card isn't supported through your current provider, you can switch to another integration partner. Once connected, your expenses sync automatically for seamless tracking. We will skip the card setup for now and continue exploring. Back in the expenses section, you can also auto-scan receipts. You can do this from your computer or from cloud. Once saved, we move to the reports section. Reports allow you to bundle multiple expenses together for easier submission, approval, and reimbursement. You can create a new report anytime, which is extremely important for audit trails and finance processing. Here, you can track reimbursed, pending, or rejected reports. The Advances section in Zoho Expense is where employees can record or request advance payments given by the company for upcoming trips or business expenses. Instead of paying out of pocket, an employee can receive an advance amount beforehand, and later, when they submit expenses, those expenses are automatically adjusted against the advance. This helps keep reimbursements accurate, prevents overpayment, and makes it easier for both employees and finance teams to track how much of the advance has been used or is still pending. This section is also connected to the Cards tab. In the Cards section, you have the option to connect your corporate card directly. Alternatively, if you prefer, click on Add Statement and you will be on this page where you can import statements from Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and various banking feeds, all depending on your integration type. Next is the Approval module. This area is designed for managers, supervisors, or designated approvers to review and validate any submitted expense reports. Any items waiting for review will appear here. Approvers can leave comments, request changes, reject submissions, or approve them instantly. This ensures a streamlined workflow while enforcing company policies, improving compliance, and maintaining financial transparency. Now let's go to Analytics, which is your reporting and insights area. This includes expenses, reports, trips, budgets, category-wise breakdowns, spending trends, and policy violation analysis. You can also identify top spenders, track reimbursement timelines, and customize reports for strategic decision-making, extremely helpful for finance teams and administrators who need real-time visibility. Finally, under My Settings, you can configure your entire account. You can update your profile, set notifications, adjust default categories, and connect additional tools. Zoho provides extensive customization options so you can tailor the platform exactly to your business workflow. At the top corner, you'll find the dotted menu, which lets you access other Zoho apps such as Zoho Books, Zoho Billing, and many others you can integrate seamlessly. Since Zoho Expense comes with a 14-day trial, you have plenty of time to explore the platform and get familiar with its features. When you're ready, you can upgrade anytime using the Upgrade button. But we always recommend exploring the full system first so you understand what works best for your team. The Admin View section in Zoho Expense is where administrators can manage and oversee the entire organization's expense activities. Essentially, the Admin View provides a centralized dashboard for managing all user activities, ensuring compliance with company policies, and keeping track of organizational spending efficiently. So whether you are a business owner, a finance team member, or a frequent traveler, Zoho Expense is a powerful tool that streamlines reimbursements, ensures policy compliance, and helps you track every peso, dollar, or cent with ease. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.